What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 3 of the suspension overhaul. We are going to be upgrading the half shaft to the newer style Integra half shaft. We're going to be replacing the transmission seals, the shift rod seals. And if you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. And if you guys are enjoying the video, hit that like button. And let's get the show on the road. Part number for the transmission seal that you would need. Honda parts. And this is for the shift rod seal. Alright you guys, so this is the part number for the CV axle seal that's on the passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this seal right here. I'm gonna use a pry bar to pop it out. Just like that, it popped up. Just get a little bit of this transmission fluid that's leaking. Put it around the seal. I'm gonna grab my extension and tap on it lightly so that it'll sit down flush. I'm gonna just grab some brake cleaner. Let me just clean all the oil off. All right. No fancy tools required. Got CV axle seal in. Nice and flush. All right, you guys, so for the next seal, we're gonna replace the transmission seal on the inside. When you guys change the half shaft to the 94 and up Integra B series half shaft, you need this seal. Let me see. There's the part number. This seal is a little different on the cable transmission, so you would need a hydro transmission seal for the intermediate shaft, which is, I believe, is the left side CV axle seal. And I got this straight from Honda. That's the part number. We're going to be replacing this transmission seal with the new 94 and up Integra B series hydro transmission seal. It's the same process as the other side that I just showed you. So we're going to pop that out and put the new seal in. Alright you guys, the axle seal is in already. Give it a couple of love taps. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this grease. So I went ahead and cleaned all the dirt and all the caked up grease as much as I can from the transmission seal on this side. All of these nice and clean. Transmission seal sitting flush. The next thing we're going to do is replace the shifter seal. It's not leaking, I don't think, but it is broken. So might as well go ahead and change this little $10 part. So to change the shifter seal, we are gonna have to remove this clip, and then we're gonna remove the bitch pin, slide the shift linkage off, and we should have access to the seal. Probably gonna need a pair of pliers and a flathead or a pry bar of some sort and pry the bushing off. So let's go ahead and get to that. Alright, gonna remove this clip. Finally, got it out. The bitch pen. Got it out with a 12mm bolt. Had to switch to a couple of different bolts to get it off. Uh-oh. This is what I was using. Alright, let's go ahead and pull the shifter off. That was easy. Alright, time to reinstall everything. Before I go ahead and put the new half shaft in, I need to rethread one of the half shaft bolts because it's stripped. So I believe it's a M10 by 125. Let's see, yeah, M10 by one. Nope, that's 1.5. So M10. Yeah, M10 by 1.25. Grab my tap. Grab the Tulio. That's all you need. Alright, you guys, so this is the half shaft bolt that I need to rethread. Doesn't even go in. The bolt's straight. The bolt's still good, it's just the threads on the inside strip somehow. I don't remember when. Let me make sure this fits. All right. Alright, you guys, so the top half shaft is from a 94 and up Integra B series half shaft. And the bottom is the DA one. This one has a bad bearing in it, which was causing the axle to pull apart on itself. So we upgraded to the 94 and up half shaft. I did purchase an aftermarket half shaft from Yonaka Motorsports. I wanted to get a new one, and they claim to be a little bit more beefier than the OEM one. So if you guys want to find out more details about upgrading your half shaft to a newer model Integra, you guys visit 1993.com. I'll leave a link down below. Alright you guys, so this is going to be it for the video. I'm going to end it right here. Hopefully on the next episode. Finally going to be finished with the front end. Take it out for a test drive. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.